John Wick 3 Island Barrel version. So with license markings, naka fiber optic sights. So may magwell na rin siya with TTI markings, and base plate or base pad na may TTI markings din. Frame is metal yung slide. May underrail na for attachment, and threaded yung outer barrel. Price is 11,500. Firing mode semi-auto. Chrono test tayo. 371, 374. For details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.